in this video, I will teach you how I make my rice wash ice cubes. So this is the most cheapest skincare. Like, you really don't have to spend anything because you can only find the ingredients in your own kitchen. And this is also hypoallergenic, vegan friendly, and of course it's organic, so it's very safe for our skin. Actually, I've been using these ice cubes before. However, I stopped because someone introduces me to a facial wash that's also made of rice wash. But since I ran out of it and I still don't want to go to malls due to this pandemic, I prefer to stay at home and make it. So just like with what I did on my DIY sugar cold wax, if you haven't seen it yet, you can check it in my description or in the link above right now. So check it so that you too can make it. And without further ado, I know you guys are very excited already to see how I make my skincare. So let's start!
We will only need water and uncooked rice. Rinse 1/2 cup of uncooked rice with about 1/2 cup water to remove any dirt or impurities. Mix it thoroughly and drain the dirty water. Now, add in 1 cup water and let it sit for an hour. As you can observe, the water turns cloudy. During this time, excess vitamins and minerals will seep into the water, creating this beautiful natural cleanser for your skin. Transfer the rice water into the ice tray and freeze it for a couple of hours. Don't worry with your rice. You can still cook it for your dinner. Let's not waste food here, guys. Once frozen, remove it from the tray. Now you have it, your rice wash ice cubes. To apply, wash your face before icing. Make sure to wet the ice first before rubbing it onto your face to prevent ice burn. Gently and softly massage your skin with the ice cubes till the cubes melt. Use 1 to 2 cubes daily. It is best to use before applying makeup, since it contains vitamins which helps to reduce dark skin pigmentation, and minerals which minimizes pores that tighten the skin. However, if you're like me that seldom wears makeup, you can apply it onto your face at night before you went to bed. It is a natural skin toner which promotes cell growth, stimulates blood flow, and keeps the skin smooth and bright. Keep a clean washcloth or tissue handy to wipe excess liquid that might drip from your face. After just 1 application, you'll notice your skin feeling soft, tight, and young. Remember, an ice cube a day keeps the dermatologist away. Thank you for watching.